Hello, in this video, I will show you how to bring mass streaming to the song on iHeartRadio. Select iHeartRadio, add a category. You can import multiple accounts from here. This is the format. Or click Add button to add a single account. You can leave proxy blank here and add it later. Here you can bind user agent. Click plus user agent button. Select them and your account. Click Start Bindings. Click here to import proxies from a text file. Or input your proxy manually, but you have to write the correct format, or it will not be added. Click plus proxy button. Here you can scrape free proxies online. Change type to search. Click start load and stop. And you can check those proxies. Click Save Proxy will only export the available proxies. Select proxy in your account. Start bindings. Watch out, free proxies are not reliable. Click Start. Now it will log in your account automatically. You just need to wait for a moment. When it says verification success, you can use this account on AioStream now. Now go to Data Source Management. I'm gonna create some data. Add a category. Then add an account source to this category. And a text source is artist source. Name it as artist. Go to Task Management tab. We need another live station source and a track source. Back and add two text source. Then add a new task. Select sources and save them. You will add their links to those text source. like the live station is the same. Lastly, click the Start button to make it work.